Okay. All right. Yes, sir.
Don't see.
Yes, sir.
Hey, no, you see it down there. Wait for you to see it.
I'm coming down there. Mr. Slide King.
Nah, I retired. I retired, man.
When?
I retired May 4th with the Legal Pink Parts wheel. Nah, I'm kidding.
Yeah, I know you is. No, you not. What up, my guy? You good? Yes, sir. What up, my guy? You good?
Straight.
Yes, sir.
Everything, my boy. I see the third gen. That one. Man. And he built the scratch.
Mm-hmm. Most of them do. You ain't gonna find two of them already ready. You good.
What you say back in cross country last year, man? Skate gone, Martin gone, like all that gone. Not for this, John. I love these. I had to stop and tell him, man. But that second gen, I'll take that second gen. I agree with all my problems. I had to tell him that.
This is something that involved in that's right. But check it. Enough of the small talk about the community. It's the night train. It's all about hey, Bob. I used to always smile. Y'all the rock is quiet to the same. He's a new on the block. And got the wrong block so tough. And they play the game. And they all so check it out. You ain't you better come prepared. But don't send us the money. They move you up. Right about that. We back up in this motherfucker. We gon' be smoking everybody out this motherfucker. Cause we got that shit. I'll be back up done smoking. And if you ain't got no smoke, don't come back. I'm back. Weeks and months, it all depends on the kind of blood. Smoking on 6 days, that's what hit me. Bounce the block, stay dead. I love smoking in the car when I'm sitting in traffic. So that you know that I gotta have it. Touch me.
Police message y'all did.
Nah,
Them niggas everywhere.
they been hot though.
They were everywhere.
You ain't throwing no line.
I'm trying not to come down here. You know, my car be pop.
Yeah, they started to chill about that. I was hoping to get that phone. Ain't no point now.
Why not?
The way 12 been tripping about noise laws and all that, they be bad about it down our way.
Oh, I was gonna say yeah. I don't even care about none of that. I don't care about none of that. For real. I'm riding mine. I don't care.
I feel you on that.
I don't care. Like nigga say, they gonna have to catch me.
That's one thing they haven't been able to do yet.
Oh yeah, they gonna be a catch. Y'all ain't never seen that jump before?
I have. Dolph Car Show last year.
Yeah.
787 boy, I think. It is some goddamn.
What camera cat is on? The cat is in the building. Where do camera? Y'all? Yes, sir. Oh, camera down here.
Not bad for doing it in my driveway.
Go on, put your clear coat over that junk. Keep the rust on that junk.
It came out good for the first time. Tuned it yourself too? Nah, I had a friend of mine who
look at the cousins. They all at the car show together.
You know, you was inspiration for this after all.
I got one flaw.
Oh, Lord.
You ain't clean up on your hood. That's the only thing. Everything else, everything else, A1. Yeah.
See what happened was, I ain't finna come in. I ain't gonna get it done.
That's what it was. See what happened was. When a person said, see what happened was, here come the lie.
Oh, no. I tell the truth, though.
Yeah.
Because the truth, I set you free.
Yes, sir. I watched your last video today with your cousin get the wild body.
Yeah.
I watched that junk today. I had that little junk too. I had gave my man away when I changed the rep. Yeah. I gave all the little toys away. Yeah, I like that junk.
Had I known getting this before you gave him away, I would have got him from you.
Oh, you know, shit, that was a long time ago. So.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I like that junk though.
Appreciate that, big bro. Yeah. SRT Boogie, y'all. He was my inspiration for the shadow rap.
Yep. I was like, man, go on put the shadow out. Y'all already called it shadow. I was like, man, you might well go and throw that junk on the side of that junk.
Get a little closer. Just step in.
Yeah, you get a little closer.
A little bit closer.
Shake my head.
I know.
Put a girl on me now. Yes, sir. I just told him that I ain't get you. Keep saying that why I ain't get you. Yes, sir. I'm flipping colors. I'm flipping colors next year, so. Yeah, they down there. We can't 70. Not 7. Yeah, I'm changing my color next year. Flipping this on again. You already know it. See, y'all ain't gonna be able to slide like last year. Last year y'all was sliding at the show. Can't do it this year. Last year y'all was sliding at the show. Can't do it this year. It ain't no space. It ain't no space. That was none of our people. Cap. Don't blame them. Cap. Don't blame them. Cap. They don't know about it. They were one-wheel peeling. Cap. One-wheel peeling. You got one-wheel peeling. Hey, you see, I wanted to see the cat. That's all I thought was coming with y'all. Oh, no, he had to work, sadly. Oh, okay. Then you know they got a car beat in Memphis tonight. Yeah. I might hit that up tonight. Yeah, we supposed to be rolling out there. Yep. I see you on the video. I see your video.